Let's talk about this question. Find the matrix X so that X times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is a matrix again, is equal to another matrix over here. Right. So X is some matrix and we are multiplying it with one matrix. Okay, we're getting another matrix. Now, how do we go about solving this kind of question? Let's see. First, can you guess the order of X? So this here is a 2 by 3 matrix. This here is a 2 by 3 matrix. Now for X, if the order is P by Q, this Q and 2 should be same. That gives me Q should be equal to 2. And the final order should be P by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. So that gives me P is equal to 2. The important thing to observe here is that X is a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So X, let us assume X after this. Let X is 2 by 2 matrix. Let us assume it as A, B, C, D, this matrix over here. Once we assume it as this, let's use this equation to find A, B, C and D. How do we find that? By multiplication, right? A, B, C, D, this matrix multiplied with this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be equal to this matrix over here. What is that? Minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. This is what we have, right? And let's multiply them. What you get is AB gets multiplied with 1, 4. What you get is A plus 4B. Okay. This is the first row, first column element. And this will be equal to minus 7. Okay. We can directly form equations? Yeah, we can directly form equations. The first row gets multiplied with second column, 2A plus 5B will be equal to minus 8. Okay. And 3A plus 6B will be minus 9. This is what you get. 3A plus 6B would be equal to minus 9. That's what you get over here. You actually have 3 equations. You only have 2 unknowns over here in these 3 equations. 2 more unknowns are here, C and D. We can form 3 more equations for C and D. Let's see. We only need 2 more equations, by the way. But since there are more number of equations, we'll have to check for consistency. Okay, here it will not be an issue, as you will observe, and I'll explain why. So C and D, second row, first column would give me C plus 4D. Let's see, C plus 4D, which is 2. And then you have 2C plus 5D, which is 4. And 3C plus 6D, which is 6, right? Okay. The numbers have been given in such a manner that the equations remain consistent. By the way, but in general, in such a question, the issue that generally we may face is of consistency. Okay, how do we solve for A, B? First of all, so for solving for A and B, we only need these 2 equations. This is an extra equation. We'll check this for the solutions obtained for consistency, right? What do? What we can do is simply multiply this by 2 and subtract over here, right? That's what you can do. This is equation number 1, let us say. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. The important thing for solving these 2 equations is we multiply equation 1 by 2 and subtract equation 2. What you get over here is this. Please observe, this is 2A minus 2A is gone. 8B minus 5B will be 3B, which will be equal to minus 14 plus 8, which will be minus 6. This will give me B equals minus 2. Once we obtain B equals minus 2, we can solve for the value of A very easily using equation 1. Gives me A equals minus 7 minus 4B. Minus 7 minus of minus 8. What will that be? 8 minus 7, which is 1. This will give me A equals 1. We have to check equation 3. Check equation 3 for consistency, right? This is important. So what you get is 3A, which is 3. 6 times 2 is 12. 3A plus 6B is equal to 3 minus 12, which is minus 9. That is okay. This is equal to the RHS. Yes, that is okay. Therefore, the solution that we have obtained, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2, is okay. That's simple now. Right. On solving 1, 2, 3, we get the values of A and B. Can we solve 4, 5, 6 to get the values of C and D correspondingly? Yes. So let's get the values of C and D now. Okay. Next part. Next, we solve for C and D. Let's use this as space over here. So, once again, let's multiply this by 2 and subtract over here. Equation 4 times 2 minus equation 5 will give us what? This is 2c, minus 2c will go. This is 8d minus 5d would be actually equal to 3d, which is equal to 4 minus 4, which is 0. This will give me d equals 0. Is that okay? Yeah. D will be simply 0. And therefore, using equation number 4, we can get C equals what? C plus 0 equal to 2, which gives me C equal to 2. But that's not enough. We'll also have to check whether equation 6 is consistent with these values. So we'll have to check equation 6. LHS is equal to what? 3C plus 6D, which is equal to 3 times 2, 6. Is it equal to the RHS? Yes, this is equal to the RHS. This is okay. So therefore, we have obtained the values of A, B, C and D, and initially we were not asked A, B, C and D. We were asked the matrix X. The matrix X is equal to this. So therefore, what I'll write is, after this, the final answer, therefore, X is equal to A, B, C, D. That is the answer for this question over here. That's the final answer for this question over here. Is that all? Yes, that is all in this question, as you can see behind.